How about you take your passion and turn it into profit? The exciting world of e-commerce can make it real for you and ensure passive income for the years to come. Get a turnkey store by Sellvia and start your own business in a niche you love with no hassle. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Fill out a short survey to let us know your preferences like niche, design, and even the name of your future website. 2. Get your ready store with access to thousands of best-selling products in our catalog, always ready to be imported to your store in a click and absolutely free. And 3. Book a free training session with our team to learn everything you need to successfully manage your new business and start selling right away. Sounds nice? That's just the beginning. At Sellvia, not only will we take care of creating a perfect online store for you, but also the logistics. We'll pack and deliver products to your clients while you manage your store. It's about 2 hours a day only. And, well, do more important things in life. Besides, you can always count on our 24/7 free support and become part of our thriving community of successful entrepreneurs. Are you ready to get your own e-commerce business today? Let Sellvia take care of it from day one and forever.